All right, we're solving and checking. No parentheses, so there's no step 1. I don't have I don't have like terms either, so I'm moving on to step 3. So the first step in this problem is to get the variables on the same side. I've got a variable here on the left, and I have a variable there on the right. I need them all to be together. And I want my variables to be on opposite sides as my constant. So 15 is the constant. It's going to stay. That means the negative 2x is going to move. So I can't move the smallest one this time, but that's okay. I'm going to add 2x to both sides. Whenever you cross the equal sign, you've got to do the opposite. So these are gone. I bring down my 15, and I'm left with negative x equals 15. You're not solving for negative x. It's got to be positive x. So whenever this happens, you're just going to divide both sides by negative 1. So now you have a positive x equals a negative 15. Let's go ahead and check to make sure we did that correctly. I'm going to rewrite this equation. But instead of x's, I'm going to put negative 15s in their place. So I had negative 2x and I had negative 3x, but instead of x, I put what I think the answer is. So let's work this out. I have a 15, negative times negative is positive. 2 times 15 is 30. Negative times negative is positive. 15 times 3 is 45. And then 45 equals 45. It's the same number, so I can put my answer in the box.